Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into standout items you should know about, and today, I have a real summer gem for you. This is the best plus-size maxi summer dress you can buy right now. The Nemidor plus-size maxi dress for curvy women. Let's get into why this dress deserves a place in your wardrobe. First, the design. This dress brings together elegance, comfort, and boho charm all in one beautifully flowing silhouette. It features a round neck, flowy ruffle sleeves, and a layered flared hem, all working together to create a flattering shape that drapes effortlessly over curves. The floral print is light, ditzy, and airy, giving the dress a fresh summer feel that's perfect for daytime events, beach strolls, casual hangouts, or even something semi-formal like a garden brunch or baby shower. The color showcased here is a subtle green and white combination, but it comes in a range of prints and sizes. From 14 plus to 26 plus, you can choose the fit that best flatters your figure. The size drop-down reflects standard US plus sizes, so there's no guessing game. You pick what you normally wear. One of the best things about this dress? The cut. It features a high waist design paired with an elastic waistband, which not only accentuates your waist but also adds to the comfort factor. It stays in place, moves with you, and doesn't squeeze or bunch. It's the kind of fit that makes you forget you're even wearing something tailored. It's that comfy. And let's talk pockets. Yes, this maxi dress has discreet side pockets, which is a big win for any woman who wants both fashion and function. You can stash your phone, a lip gloss, or your keys, or just enjoy knowing they're there when you need them. Now, about the fabric. It's made from 100% polyester. That means it's soft, lightweight, and breathable. Perfect for warm weather, and while it's not stretchy, the cut and design compensate for that, offering flexibility through the skirt and bodice. Because it's non-stretch, make sure to refer to the size chart before ordering. And keep in mind, this one is hand wash only, so treat it with care and it'll stay beautiful season after season. If you love a bit of vintage style, a hint of bohemian flair, and want a dress that makes you feel good while looking fabulous, this one's for you. The layered flared skirt moves with grace and elegance. It catches the breeze in just the right way, adding softness and motion that make the dress feel alive. So whether you're heading to a summer party, going on vacation, or just want something easy and pretty to wear out, the Nemidor plus-size maxi dress delivers. It's inclusive, stylish, and thoughtfully made for curvy women who don't want to compromise between fashion and comfort. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you liked this breakdown and want more no-nonsense insights on fashion, tech, and lifestyle picks, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, stay stylish and stay confident.